Tumangas Port. Time check. Anong time na dyan?
12:32.
12:32. Teka lang.
Yeah.
12:32
Ba't hindi makuhan?
AM.
33.
Yeah. So,
It is officially May 8th. Birthday ni Charot.
kailan ang birthday? So, it's May 8, 12:33 in the morning. Nakapila kami para magsumakay ng Roro.
We don't know how long we will be here, but it's fine. We can
Yeah,
sleep
so,
here.
pwede kaming matulog. So, sa mga nagbabalak, no? To
Be ready. Traverse.
pabantayan
Charot.
Cebu na ganito rin yung way. So, dapat better early kayo dito.
Ay, yung mga...
Kung gusto nyo humabol sa Bantayan Cebu trip sa Cadiz Port.
Hopefully, we get earlier so we can have
Okay.
good
Ayan.
food.
So, medyo early, pero hindi pa rin namin alam kung how long bago kami makasakay doon, no?
Dami na
Anyway.
kasing truck. So,
Mga truck yung kasama natin.
which is reasonable for this hour.
Yeah. So, next update namin mamaya pag tulog na kami
Or
or
nakatawid na kami.
kapag paakyat
na
kami
Negros.
doon or kapag nandun na kami sa
Or
Roro.
we'll see.
We'll see.
Enjoy the
So, this
B-roll.
is still our road trip. Abangan ang susunod ko lahat.
We're still alive.